Hey everyone, so today I want to take a few minutes just to break down digital planning stickers, really what they are, how to use them, and some of the different ways you might receive them if you start purchasing digital planning stickers. So first, to start off and just lay some groundwork here, digital stickers are really just image files, but they're typically saved with transparent backgrounds. So they're PNG image files. And the reason for that is we want them to feel like actual stickers would on a paper page. And so you can see as I move this around, the background of this is transparent, and so there isn't any sort of like white border that would be distracting, and it really feels like a sticker image would in the paper world. So just the basics there. When we talk about stickers, we're really talking about image files that have been prepared in a way that they have a transparent background. And if you're looking to start buying stickers, that's a really important thing to look for. Look for stickers that are pre-cropped and have the transparent backgrounds for you, so you don't have to do any of that on your end. So you'll also often hear about sticker books. I'll break down sticker books in a second, but the first thing to know is that sticker books can really, right now, only be created to be compatible with the GoodNotes app. So that's often a perk to using GoodNotes. But if you purchase my planners, you'll find that I provide to you all of the sticker files. So even if you use my planner in an app other than GoodNotes, you can still use the stickers. And I'll show you that here for just a second in Notability. So what you would receive with your purchase then is a file that says digital planner sticker PNG images. So this is that standard zip file that you will only need if you're using the stickers outside of GoodNotes. So you would unzip this file and you'll see a whole set of folders with each of the individual PNG images for each of the stickers. So what you'll want to do is go through that folder and essentially just choose the specific stickers that you want to use. And I recommend saving them to your camera roll. That's usually the easiest way to manage them. So you click right here, Save Image, and it'll save it to your camera roll for you. You can also go into your camera roll and organize them all into a folder. So once you save the images that you want to use, jump into your app. I'm just going to show you in Notability. This would be the same if you were in Xodo or Drawboard or any other PDF markup app. The steps are going to be fairly similar. Just look for the command in that app that allows you to insert images. In Notability, it's this plus sign in the upper right corner, photo library. And I'm able to choose the sticker that I want, resize it, and place it on the page. So I'll show you the experience in the GoodNotes sticker book. You can see that there's some extra steps required here for you to save your images and manage them, but ultimately you still have the same access to the stickers no matter what app you're using. So now let's jump into GoodNotes. I mentioned that I'm able to create sticker books for GoodNotes, and so this will come as a completely separate notebook that you can import into GoodNotes, and it's actually a special GoodNotes file. You'll see it's goodnotes.zip, and that's basically a file that I exported out of GoodNotes as a GoodNotes file, and I'll show you why in a second, but I mentioned it's a separate notebook, so you'll see here I have open my sticker book, and I also have my planner. Now I like having this in a separate notebook for two main reasons. One, it makes it really easy to switch between your sticker book and your planner to paste things in. And two, these files get really large when you start adding a bunch of stickers in. And so keeping them separate means that we're able to keep the performance really great on your planner and avoid kind of lagging that from having a ton of images in the back of the planner as a sticker book. So that is why they're separate files. I'm not going to get too far into the mechanics of how I create a sticker book, but basically what I'm doing is I am placing the individual PNG images on this page for you. And then since I export it as a GoodNotes file, when you import it into GoodNotes, all of the PNGs that I placed on this page and resized for you to fit into the planner really well, they're all available here for you to select. So let's talk about how you select stickers and paste them into your planner. So I'm in editing mode here in GoodNotes and I have my lasso tool selected. Now it's important if you tap on your lasso tool and look at the different tool controls, make sure that you have images toggled on. So I mentioned stickers are really just images, and so you'll want to make sure that you have that toggled on to make sure that you're actually able to select the images on this page. So all I'm going to do, since these are all pre-cropped for you, I can make a circle anywhere on this image. I don't have to outline it completely. Anywhere on the image will work, and tap and hold, and I'm going to copy. And then I jump over and tap and hold on the page and paste, and I have it here, and I can resize it, I can select and move it, but it's really easy right there to just replace that margin with the sticker. In this case, these are those content widget stickers to kind of replace areas of the page. So a quick trick that I like to use for my standard setup of my weekly pages, I typically just set up about a month of pages at a time, but even then you have, 4 to 5 weekly spreads to go through. So what I'll do is I'll set up my page just like this, and you can see I have a couple different stickers sitting on this page to get this layout. And so once I get one page all set the way that I want it, I would just grab the lasso and I'd actually lasso like everything on that page, copy, and then just jump over to the next page. And then all I have to do is position it where I want, and that's it. And then my page is all set up for me. So once you have everything positioned on your page, then you can just write right on top of the images, just like it's a standard page. And then if you're looking to select text or move this, say I decided I actually want to wake a little later at 8, the main thing you'll have to pay attention to once again is this lasso tool. So remember, these sticker images, specifically this schedule one, is like a full page overlay image. So I need to toggle images off to make sure that I'm just going to select this handwriting that I added. So now that images are toggled off, I can grab this and I could resize it or just move it along the page. So really, when you start working with stickers, specifically some of the overlay stickers, you'll just want to always pay attention to your lasso tool and what you have selected for it to select. So let's jump back into the sticker book. I just want to give you a quick overview of the stickers that are included with my current planner, just to give you some ideas around how you might use stickers. So you can see these are all in a sticker book, and I have the sticker book split into sections, so you can jump through or you can just page through. So first you have all these monthly stickers, and these can all sit on the right side margin of your monthly dated pages to customize that layout. And then moving forward, you have some overlay stickers that sit over your entire week. And these really kind of transform that weekly page. so that it really works for you and your needs. And then these weekly stickers actually sit right in the footer of your weekly pages. And then these are your collection of daily page stickers that sit in the right side margin of your daily pages. And then these are overlay stickers. So these can actually go over any page of your planner to, give yourself that dot grid or just a standard squared grid and really transform any page of your planner. And then I have just some various decorative labels and icons. And then these are actually some kind of make it yourself. You can create any combination here of stickers. So I can grab urgent and I can place it over this box. And then I could select both of these together as kind of a new sticker that I created. And then we have some monthly labels if you want to just add something decorative, some numbers. These are just small month at a glance. So if you ever want to be able to look at the month behind or the month forward within a weekly page or within a monthly page, you can grab these. They're each individual and can be resized on their own. And you have Monday start and Sunday start options there. And then you just have some basic trackers and flags. Some little notes to self if you want to kind of make your notes stick out on your page. And similarly, some sticky notes with a little shadow effect. And then we have just some other basic labels, some frames. So these frames actually can sit right on top of a picture just to make it a little more decorative on the page. Or you could add this on for kind of a photo frame effect. And again, these photo frames then have that little shadow. And then these are kind of a bonus collection that you can use to decorate the cover of your planner. If you want to customize that, use some of the bonus covers that came with your planner and then actually add some decorative elements. And then this last page here has some overlay boxes. And so these are actually transparent stickers. And so they're great for time blocking or even adding them as an overlay to your page. So I'm going to actually grab one of these, copy, and jump back into the planner here. So you can use these stickers, you can see, to block out time. You could write on top of them to create labels. But I want to show you one other command that's really helpful for resizing. When you're here in edit mode, if you tap again, you can see that you are limited to a few options, and the resize option you have only allows you to resize it like at the same aspect ratio as the sticker image was created. So for boxes like these, when you want it to fit in a specific area, it's helpful to know a little trick, and that's if you tap off of the sticker and tap and hold again and hit edit, it gives you these arrows, and these can actually be used to resize and really change the width and height of the sticker so that it fits exactly where you want it. Now, if you find yourself using a lot of stickers, for example, if I was to grab this sticker here and I wanted to place it on top of this time blocked area, and here I'm stacking stickers, and when you start to do that, it's helpful to know a tip for selecting stickers on top of other stickers. And so if I was here and I used my lasso to try to select this alarm clock sticker, you can see that both would come with me. And so what you'll actually want to do if you have an image on top of another is to tap and hold on top of that image that you want to select, choose edit, and there you can see that you can drag it around, isolating just that image. So those are just some quick tips to get you started. I hope that was helpful. I'll be filming some additional videos on some more advanced tricks around creating your own stickers, taking images that you might find elsewhere and cropping the background. But for today, my hope is that just gives you what you need to get started in using the sticker book that's included with your planner. Thanks so much for watching.